Hey up duck, Iram here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing another video regarding Tesla, but it's regarding accessories. And just like a good handbag with all those little accessories, I wanted some accessories for the Tesla. So it took me a while to get the actual accessories as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to run through each accessory one by one, and let's get into the Tesla and have a look at the first one. So here we are inside the car. So let's have a look at the first accessory. So for me, the most important thing is to stay hydrated, especially on a day like this. I can't tell you how hot it is. So I have my bottle of water and a trusty coffee cup, okay? So as you can see, we've got a bit of a wobble here where it's not fitting properly. So when you're driving, you can have a bit of a wobble going on. So what did I get? Let me take these away. I got this. This is a latex silicone type of thing, and it is a cup holder, and it has got a small compartment there that you could put straws in, or maybe spoons in, stirrers in if you're a coffee drinker or a tea drinker. So this is something that I'm going to try out now, which I haven't tried out, but we're going to put this in now. Okay, so I'm going to close that up because I don't have any straws or anything at the moment to put in there. So let's try this out. So let's go to the coffee cup. Wow. Now that is a snug fit, okay? That is not going to go anywhere, okay? Let's try the bottle. And that is a snug fit too. So as you can see, this is basically giving grips to your drinks as well. As you can see here, it fits perfectly. It is a flush fit as well, and it actually goes with the colour scheme as well. So you've got the grey here and you've got the black there here that's matching. It looks really, really good when it's in. You can't tell that this is actually an accessory, and it hasn't actually come with the car either. So it is a good buy when it comes to that. It is good looking as well. It doesn't have any of the edges sticking out either, so it is quite a good fit there. So here we go, and we're putting in the coffee cup, okay? And that coffee cup is not going to go anywhere. It is securely in there. And here I have the water bottle, and again, there's a lot of grip to this. The water bottle does have a little bit of leeway, but not much. It won't be bouncing around as much as it was before, so there's not a lot of leeway there at all, and it is a really good fit. So to me, and again, like I said, there's that little compartment there if you want to put any straws in or anything like that, or if you're keen like me and you like a bit of fast food, you can put your straws in there and put your fast food drinks in there. So to me, guys, this is 100% a good review for this one, so I'd get this if I was you. Next accessory is this. This is a little storage compartment. So as you all know, here is the most spacious storage that we have right here, and where I keep my purse as well. So it is a very, very big storage space, okay? But I do feel like it's a bit of a waste because you can't utilize this in any way, hence why we now have this. So I like to have little things as well that I like to put into my car, so we're going to put this in, and you can put so many things in here. We've got pens, spare change, whatever you want to put in there, okay? I like to put in some spare earrings and things like that in there because I'm a girly type of person, so I do put stuff in like that. So if you want to access stuff in there as well, it's a forward and back as well. So I can forward, I can take my purse out, and my purse is actually hidden as well underneath that compartment. So it is a really, really good accessory. Again, it fits wonderful. You can't tell that it hasn't come with the car. We'll look at it up close as well. So here's the fit. You can see absolutely flush. It's brilliant. There's no edges sticking out anywhere as well. So here we go in more detail. Here is where I've put a pen there so you can see the actual dimensions in it as well. You've got like a little card holder here. You could put a few cards or something in there if you wanted to. You've got small compartments. You could do that. And also you see these silicone bits here. They're actually removable as well for easy cleaning. So here we go. We move this forward and you can see here is my purse, and then we move it back and there we go. So that is something that I would totally recommend. And guess what? Look at this. It closes perfectly. There is no problems there whatsoever. So another feature that I really like about this as well is, so I can show you how much space is in here, is that once your phone is from the wireless charger, you can actually just put your phone in there and then you can close it. Okay, so the other feature that I really like is, because you're putting it there, you're not actually accessing this bit, because when you've got something small like a phone or anything like that in this area, in this space, you're actually looking around for it. So I think the best feature that you could possibly have is something like this, where you just grab it and go. So I would definitely utilize it in this way as well. Really good. It's stylish. Again, it goes with the color coordination of the car as well, and it is quite spacious, and you are utilizing that space. So this is something that I'd highly recommend. Again, we all know that Tesla comes with 2 wireless chargers. So here is one and here is the other. These charge your phone wirelessly. But what about if someone doesn't have a phone that is compatible with wireless charging? What would you do? So here comes the next accessory. Here is a small USB that can be used to charge your phone. So where would you put this? You open this up. There's a socket inside where you can plug this into here. So I'm going to plug it in. Here is a charging wire. I'm going to put that in. So here is the phone. I'm going to charge it up, and there we go. Now it's charging. So now you're thinking, what are we going to do about this? Because this is up and that is a wire. But guess what you can do? You can leave it on here or anywhere, and it has no effect. This is clicked back into place and it has no effect on the actual wire. The wire is free in there as well. It will not have any effect on the actual charging wire whatsoever, or the way that your phone is charging. The next accessories are for the wheels. So I'm going to take off the cover, put the accessories in, and I'll show you how it looks. So you pull it from each side and it should come off. You do this with all 4 tyres. So you just pull the hubcaps off and then we'll start. So here's what you get. You get 5 of these to cover the actual nuts here. And you get one of these, which is with the beautiful Tesla symbol. Okay, so here you can see what I've done. They are so easy. You just push these on and you just push this into here, and here we go. So what do you think? I think it looks really cool. It looks updated, but we all know that the actual cap is there for streamlining. So if you don't like the cap, you can take it off and you can put these on, but it does have an effect on the streamlining of the actual vehicle. These are accessories that I think are worth buying and are important for your car. So I have bought these accessories, and as you can see, I've used them in my car, outside my car. They are available on eBay, Amazon. You can order them. I've had to wait for mine, unfortunately, but maybe you don't have to wait as long as I did, and it was worth the wait. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and also press the all-important bell icon for any upcoming videos. If you have any comments to make, then please make them below. If I've missed anything, or you want me to review anything or add anything, then again, please comment below. So bye-bye for now and stay safe.